So hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition, and once again I'm back on Pop! OS Cosmic 2404 LTS version. Before I will continue, let me check out if the stream is working properly. Perfect, this is perfect. And let me show you the system information using the GUI method. First, going on Cosmic Settings, System and Accounts, About. And here we are. As you can see, 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB SSD storage space. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. The GPU is also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. Pop! OS 24.04 LTS, kernel is 7011 something, Wayland, and of course Cosmic. Let's go now to the terminal, which as you can see today I didn't have much time, so this is the first step, not the first step, let's just say second step in my customizations. Here we are on the terminal. You can pause the stream and take a good look at your own pace, or later the video when it will be available. Just pay attention to the screen resolution. It's full 4K 3840 by 2160, and today I'm using scale of 1.5 or 150% if you prefer. But as you can see, I'm recording and streaming, yes, at full 4K resolution, but at 30 FPS. So with that out of the way, I just will leave you for a moment to check out. This is the usual config for me in the terminal. The Swedish flag colors, blue and yellow, and then this is the prompt that I like to use as my go-to, more often than not. Anyway, as you will see today, I didn't have much time to spend with this system. Life is complicated and all that. But yeah, let's not waste time. Here we are. OBS settings. Video, full 4K, 30 FPS. And I'm using, as you can see, hardware encoders. For the audio, FMPEG AAC, and for the video, FMPEG, FMPEG VAPI H.264. And I'm using the same quality for the recording and the streaming, and also I'm using 60,000 bitrate and the MKV file. Anyway, things seemingly go very well. I didn't have any crashes or something, but let's see what is Pop! OS first by going in Wikipedia and then on the official website. Pop! OS, stylized as Pop! OS, is a free and open source Linux distribution based on Ubuntu and developed by the American Linux computer manufacturer System76. It features the Cosmic desktop environment, a Rust-based and Wayland-only desktop created and maintained by System76. Pop! OS is primarily designed to ship with the company's computers, but can also be downloaded and installed on most PCs. Yeah, and then let's go to the Cosmic Wikipedia. Cosmic is a free and open source desktop environment for Linux and other Unix-like operating systems. Originally a modified version of GNOME made for Pop! OS, it was later rebuilt from scratch as a standalone desktop environment using the ICE toolkit. And with the Wikipedia pages out of the way, let's go to the Pop! OS official website. As the Wikipedia page said, System76 powerful Linux computers, laptops, desktops, workstations, etc. And of course, Pop! OS, you are in control. Unleash your potential on a Linux operating system made to be productive and personal. Yada yada yada. By going to download this system, you will be asked to use either this generic version to download or the one with the NVIDIA. Anyway, let's go on the Cosmic website, the official Cosmic website. Cosmic, foundational software for designing beautiful user experiences. Use it on your favorite distro. So yeah, I tried this one back then in PicOS and it was an absolute disaster. Then with the Pop! OS, more or less the same thing. Better than PicOS, but still trouble. Nowadays, in this same computer, I think back then, not same, maybe I'm mistaken on this. I think back then I used it on my NVIDIA machine and it was quite buggy, but I don't think it was the machine. I think it's the operating system itself, and to be precise, most probably Cosmic Desktop. Anyway, in this version, in this updated beast, no crashes, no lagging, things seemingly work fine. Clearly, just like with Commodore OS, is you can customize a few things, but not what I like to do. But that remains to be seen, as I will try to spend more time this time around with Pop! OS. So, ETA, estimated time of arrival, to be determined. We will see. So, what I want to say is this. Besides the terminal that I already showed you, I customized couple shortcuts, and also this daytime thing. They still don't include a week number on the calendar. So I had to implement my own solution once again. So the time is about 21 o'clock. The week is 24 and the date is Friday, yada yada. And yeah, I think I did this yesterday, I think. The keyboard layout switcher between Swedish or English. And what else? Yeah, I installed my usual suspects of the apps. Office, System, Utilities, Library Home. And I didn't get to try many things, but GIMP, Kdenlive, Terminal, Text Editor, File Manager, System, Cosmic Settings, the Cosmic Store, I think it's called. Yes, Cosmic Store. No crashes, no lagging, no lag, nothing. Honestly, quite surprised, and honestly, I'm quite glad about this. Also, I didn't have the time to answer in a comment in my YouTube channel. We will do that now, if that comment is still there, of course, because sometimes people write and then they delete. Let's see. Yes, I'm talking about this one. I will try to answer this now. Yeah, so in this either in this very configuration, I don't have any issues with flickering or something. Thanks for everything. And this is true. No flickering, nothing. I don't know what to say. Either I'm lucky this time around, or maybe the AMD GPU drivers are better than NVIDIA. I don't know what is happening, but not anything like in the past. Also, while here, let's try to go to my channel again. I want to remind myself as well what I have used in the past. I think it was the NVIDIA machine that I have used, but let's make sure. It was a try hard videos, and let's see. Yeah. So it was with the NVIDIA graphics. Yeah, but I don't know because PicOS and Cosmic was on this machine, so I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah. Fingers crossed, not that I believe in such things. We will see. Oops. Sorry for this. We will see. Hopefully everything will go well. What else? I have very limited time. Oh yeah, this little bag. Maybe you have noticed it before as well. As soon as I click here, sometimes this comes and goes without me actually clicking, like right now. See? Same in the menu. Right now it stayed. Now it stayed. Yeah, now it didn't have this problem. Here again it does it. Now let's try again. Here again. So I'm clicking and it goes away. It comes and it goes away. This little bug I noticed. Other than this, I didn't notice anything else, to be honest. And before I go, let me show you my GPU, not my GPU, my display settings. I don't know if that's related to any flickering problems that people have. Displays, sorry. So this is it. Full 4K, 120 Hz, variable refresh rate disabled, scale 150 as I said. So I don't know if it's my system or if it's the settings that I'm using. No flicker anywhere in the screen. I can't see this, and I haven't noticed this on yesterday's stream or video. Anyway, no need to drag this any longer. Yeah, I didn't have much time today. Hopefully tomorrow I will have more time. We will see. Did I forget anything today? Yeah, silly things. I wanted to say this because I don't like this. So yeah, I can hide the top panel or the dock as long as I have an app over there. This one I don't like, or here as well. Why? Just let me hide my panels and docks, people. Why? I don't know why. Maybe this is normal for other people. For me, it's just a bad experience. Throw a couple switches inside the settings, please. Make this go away. I really want to hide my panels, my docks, my everything that I don't want to have on screen. Yeah. And also on the terminal, I don't recall why. Last time I used foot terminal, if I remember correctly. But this time around, and maybe it was some other issue with the terminal back then, I can open tabs, I can customize the terminal, I can have my own colors. I don't know why I made the switch back then, I really don't recall. But still, this time around, I'm somewhat fine with this terminal. I don't know what was it and I changed to foot terminal. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Much better. Thank you, people behind the Pop OS. Keep going at it, and eventually we will get there. I will be glad to promoting this distribution, especially if you will make it easier to customize it, not just as I want, but as I think other people want to. We will see. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!